Instagram has new tools for marketers. Have you checked out Reels? You may have seen people dancing and wondering, do I have to dance? Nope, you don't. So I'm going to tell you 6 ways to be successful when it comes to Instagram Reels without shaking your booty. I'm Shannon with Shannon Lee Strategy. I am a digital marketing consultant who teaches small business owners, entrepreneurs, and mompreneurs how to grow their business using simple digital marketing strategies that get results, save time, so you're less overwhelmed. So there is a new social networking tool in town called Instagram Reels. And you're probably seeing lots of people dancing, shaking their booty, and it probably has you wondering, do I need to dance to get my point across in these TikTok-like videos? The answer is no, you don't. I'm going to give you effective ways to get your point across without dancing. So the first one is point and move. This technique takes trending music to get your point across by pointing to the beat of the words. So you use the type tool and you time out your type and you point and move. All right, transition. The beauty of Reels is once you get the hang of editing, transitions add like a fun element to your video. So I often transition with a snap, a jump, a hand over the camera. All right? And then lip syncing. You can lip sync and there's no need to dance. Just slow the audio down and follow along and be your sassy self. You can also use voiceovers to show how to record, and you will show how to, and then you can record your voiceover. That will take a little bit more advanced knowing how to use Reels, but just Google it and you could probably figure it out. You guys are pretty savvy when it comes to this stuff. You can figure it out. And then serve your audience by teaching or demonstrating, all right? So that's the whole point of this tool, is to serve your audience in a fun, inspiring way. So teach, demonstrate, have fun with yourself. So if you're wondering what the best way to get started with Instagram Reels is, I'm going to give you kind of some steps to get going. So number 1, view what's out there on the app and take note. I suggest to my coaching clients to set a timer and spend 15 minutes a day thinking about what inspiring educational content they can create for their audience, okay? Some may say this is copying. It's not copying. It's getting inspiration. And is there any original ideas out there anymore, especially with the internet? No, there's not. So most importantly, this app is to have fun with. So be yourself and have fun with it. If you love these tips, join my Facebook community, the Simplify Squad. I offer free trainings, live coaching, expert panels, and more. The link is below. If you have any questions about this video or anything marketing related, drop a comment below and I will get it answered.